Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Teacher Jacob. I want to talk about the national government of Kenya. What is government? The government is the authority that leads the country. And in our Republic of Kenya, the government has three arms. The first arm is called the executive, the other one is called the legislature, and the other one is called the judiciary. Now, the judiciary the judiciary interprets the law, the executive implements the law, and also the legislature makes and amends the law. Now, let's start by talking about the executive and its composition. Now, the executive is under the leadership of the president. The president is a member of the executive, and he also chairs the cabinet meeting. Now, another member of executive is the deputy president. We also have the cabinet secretaries, and we also have the attorney general, who is the chief legal advisor to the president, and we also have the public servants. That is all about the composition of the executive. We also have the judiciary. The judiciary is under the leadership of the Chief Justice. The Chief Justice is the one who swears in the president. We also have the Deputy Chief Justice. We also have the Chief Registrar. We also have the Judicial Service Commission. We also have the magistrates, and we also have the judges. Those are the members of the judiciary. We also have the members of the legislature. Now, legislature is quite extensive because we have two houses in legislature. Now, legislature is also called the parliament. Now, legislature has got two houses. We have the Senate and the National Assembly. Let us start by talking about the Senate. The Senate comprises of 68 members. The Senate comprises of 68 members, and the leader of the Senate is the Speaker, who is an ex-official member, and he does not participate in the debate, but he regulates the debate. He acts as a moderator. Now, we have the Speaker. We also have the 47 elected senators who represent their constituencies in the county. We also have the 16 nominated women representing the women in the counties or in the country who are considered as the marginalized community. We also have the 2 nominated youths, male and female, to represent the youths. We also have two nominated persons to represent people with disabilities. Now, that is the composition of the Senate. We also have another house, which is the National Assembly. The National Assembly consists of 350 members. Let us go into it and see how do we get 350 members. Now, this is how we get the 350 members that makes up the National Assembly. First of all, we have the 12 nominated members nominated by the political parties. We also have the 47 women representatives in the National Assembly who were elected by the counties. We also have the 290 elected members of parliament representing their constituencies. And the last one, we have the Speaker, who is also an ex-official member. Now, the work of the executive, we have said, is to implement the law. We also have the work of the judiciary, who is to interpret the law. We also have the work of the legislature, and the work is to make the law and to amend the law. So when you go through this short video that I have created for you, you are going to have a little glimpse of your government, and in this case I'm talking about the government of Kenya. These three arms of government are supposed to work together, but one arm is not allowed to interfere with the functioning of another arm. Welcome, my name is Teacher Jaco, and you can like and subscribe my video so that anytime I produce another video, your YouTube will be able to notify you and you are going to learn. Welcome.